Telecom resources are widely used across digital space. Complex and cross-jurisdiction problem of rising cybercrimes through misuse of telecom resources need collaborative efforts of multi-stakeholders. To enable this, DOT launches the Digital Intelligence Platform. This will enable sharing of intelligence among different stakeholders like law enforcement agencies, telecom operators, banks, payment wallets, social media platforms. This is accessible to the stakeholders over secure connectivity for relevant information sharing. DOT has observed the cases of communication aimed at defrauding citizens like:
your son has been arrested in a rape case. Your father has asked me to send you money. DOT is going to disconnect all your numbers. KYC of your account is expired. Are you alone? Hi, there.
Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, DOT is committed to prevent such suspected communications.
We need to ensure that vulnerable sections of our society do not fall prey to the evil design of cyber criminals.
As per the vision of Honorable Prime Minister, to safeguard citizens, Department of Telecommunications introduces Chakshu, a new facility enabling citizens to report about suspected calls, SMSs and phishing attempts intended for defrauding citizens for financial frauds and non-bona fide purpose. Citizens can report by filling simple details about the suspected communication received like date, time and description. Report will be submitted after OTP-based verification. Proactive reporting of suspected communications by citizens at Chakshu facility will significantly help DOT in curbing misuse of telecom resources for cybercrime and financial frauds. We urge every Indian to leverage the facilities offered by Sanchar Sathi to safeguard our digital ecosystem.